guys, for today's, meron tayong laruan, pero hindi naman to squish, kaya bebenta natin. Ma, bebenta ko po ito. Magkano po ito kapag ganito? Magkano kayo bibigyan niyo sa akin? $20 lang, ine. Ina or ine? Okay, sorry. Ito po. Thank you. You just scammed me. There's no money. There's money inside. How much? Don't know. Let me just scan it. How much is this? 1, 2,
Ay, hindi. Wait lang.
4,
Oo.
8, 10,
Babe na.
12, 14, 18, 21 to guys. Lalagay mo na. It's a fake money.
No. Oh.
Uy, may squishy. It's a squishy for me. It is good, right?
Babe na. Ay.
It is good though. Oh my god. Look at that one. I just got a jumbo squishy. I just do. That's not mine. Well, let me buy something. Yes, po. Wait a minute. There's one. Next episode. Bye-bye.